Bursting onto the music scene in the early 1960s, this icon has not only stood the test of time, but has become an enduring symbol of rock's rebellious spirit. His boundless energy and unparalleled showmanship have turned every Stones performance into a legendary spectacle, captivating audiences around the globe. Who do you think am I talking about? Yep, it's none other than Mick Jagger. In this video, let's talk about the lifestyle of the one and only Mick Jagger. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of this luxurious stuff. So if you are interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. From the pinnacle of his fame with the Rolling Stones to his still impressive solo career, we'll delve into the lifestyle of the rock and roll legend, Sir Michael Philip Jagger, who stands at 1.78 meters, best known as the lead vocalist of the Rolling Stones, a role he has held since the band's formation in the early 1960s. In 1989, Jagger was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame and the UK Music Hall of Fame with the Rolling Stones in 2004. Jagger, being a famous musician, likes to wear expensive jewelry like watches and rings with diamonds, which are worth a lot of money. He's also into modern art and owns pieces from famous artists. He, along with Keith Richards, helped with the funeral plans for blues musician Hubert Sumlin because Sumlin had a big impact on their music. Mick Jagger has had an eventful personal life. He has 8 children with 5 different women and 5 grandchildren. His first great-grandchild was born on May 19, 2014. He's been in relationships with various women, including Marianne Faithfull, Marsha Hunt, Bianca Perez Mora Macias, whom he married and later divorced, Bebe Buell, and had a lengthy relationship with fashion designer Lorenz Scott until her tragic suicide in 2014. Currently, he's with American ballet dancer Melanie Hamrick, and they have a son named Devereux Octavian Basil Jagger, born in 2016 when Jagger was 73. Mick Jagger was born into a middle-class family in Dartford, Kent, on July 26, 1943. His father, Basil Fanshawe Joe Jagger, was a former gymnast and physical education teacher, and his mother, Eva Ensley Mary, was a hairdresser and an active member of the Conservative Party. Jagger's younger brother, Chris, is also a musician. Jagger and Keith Richards, another member of the Rolling Stones, were childhood friends and attended Wentworth Primary School together. As for his wealth, Mick Jagger's money comes mainly from his successful music career and smart business moves. He made a lot from album sales, tours, and brand endorsements. The Rolling Stones, the band he's a lead member of, raked in an incredible $1.5 billion in total gross revenue between 1989 and 2001. Jagger has also ventured into film with Jagged Films, a company he co-founded in 1995 with Victoria Pearman. Mick Jagger's financial success extends far beyond his music career. With a net worth of $500 million, he's made strategic investments in real estate, boasting a portfolio worth $250 million. Among his prized properties is a 6-room beachfront compound on the exclusive private island of Mystique, offering stunning ocean views. This sought-after residence is in such demand that guests are willing to pay between $30,000 and $50,000 per week for rental. Not stopping there, Jagger also owns a second home on Mystique, within a gated country club, available for rent at a whopping $11,000 per week. His real estate ventures also include a historic castle in the south of France, providing a taste of the good life. Jagger acquired the decrepit Hampshire mansion, Stargrove, for a mere £55,000 and later sold it in 1979 for £200,000. When it comes to getting around, Mick Jagger does it in style with a collection of luxury cars, including a Mercedes S550, Rolls-Royce Silver Cloud 3, Aston Martin DB6, Range Rover, Audi R8, and a Ferrari. Jagger's journey to rock and roll fame started in 1961 when he left school and joined forces with Keith Richards and Brian Jones. Initially pursuing business education at the London School of Economics, he eventually traded textbooks for guitar strings, forming the iconic rock band, the Rolling Stones. Alongside Keith Richards, Jagger wrote some of the most enduring songs in the Rolling Stones' extensive discography. The band emerged in 1962 and quickly became a formidable force in the music industry. Over the years, the Rolling Stones have released over 100 albums and performed more than 2,000 concerts worldwide. Jagger's solo career in the 1980s, involvement in the supergroup Super Heavy, and notable film roles further showcase his diverse talents beyond the music scene. Mick Jagger is not just a rock legend, he's a multifaceted artist and savvy entrepreneur. So what do you think of Mick Jagger's lifestyle? Have you ever met Mick Jagger in real life? If so, what was the experience like? Share it with us in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world, only here at Luxury Mindset. See you in the next video.